Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. The ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with my favorite bag maker when it comes to camera bags, ThinkTankPhoto.com. I use Think Tank Photo all over the place whenever I do events and everything else. We have Think Tank Photo roller bags that go with us. I'm a big fan of this company, and they don't pay me to say that. I just love their products. I get a lot of camera bags and stuff that I test out. Think Tank Photo is what always rolls with the Chris Voss Show when we do South by CES, all those different shows. So this is their new Spectral 15 bag. It's a very interesting bag, very good looking. I like the outside of it, the sleekness of it, and everything else. It is got a quiet and secure Fidlock magnetic latch auto locks for one-handed opening and closing on it. Internal zippered flap, which provides a weather barrier and protection from theft, which tucks away when not in use. And it's got waterproof tarpon base. Only one downside about this bag that I have to complain about, I really didn't like the locking feature. I really had to fight with it and play with it to get it to auto lock or lock when I press it down or get it right over the button. You have to really look at it and spend some time fiddling with it. Biggest downside of this bag, and one of the biggest disappointments I've ever seen from a Think Tank Photo, I did not like the locking mechanism on this bag. Other than that, it's pretty darn awesome, and maybe if you just practice, you'll be able to get it down. It will hold a 15-inch laptop compartment. The table pocket fits a 10-inch laptop, and tablet, I should say, and a phone-size pocket for today's larger phones, tripod attachment points and straps, and it's made with metal hardware, YKK RC fused zippers, 420D velocity nylon, and high quality construction. Luggage pass through for your handle for your big tall luggage things. You can add this to the top of it, and it's comfortably padded, non-slip shoulder strap for all day comfort. Customizable divider layout for dividers, stacking short lenses, internal pocket to hold batteries, card wallets, and other accessories. Water bottle pocket and seam sealed rain cover included, so you can cover this whole baby with you. This little one standard size body with a 24 to 70 millimeter lens attached, 2 to 4 extra lenses. It'll hold your flash, 7200 attached, and a 10-inch tablet, 15-inch tablet in it. Once again, it's a very impressive bag, especially all the stuff. I like the closed top that seals off so that stuff just can't fall over. I've had some of the other retrospective bags and things from Think Tank Photo, and having that top closure really helps because sometimes the bag falls on the side and stuff will slide out in other bags. Just a beautifully designed bag. I loved everything about this bag except for the front clasp locking thing. That was the only thing that I really disliked of the bag. Other than that, you can see you've got these Velcro rip barriers where you can get in here, change them up, move them around, and you can build customized pockets and everything else. Lots of customization you can do here as well, and I'm super impressed with the bag other than the front locking point. So what can you say? I think if you practice enough with it, you can probably get it down. So go to thinktankphoto.com, check out the Spectral 15. I highly recommend you check out all their other bags and the rolling gig bags. They're just awesome. Thanks for tuning in.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first, you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way, got to find out what's in the box.